Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how to download a map on Google Maps application. So, firstly we have to drop a pin somewhere in the interested area, and here now we have to go to more. Now we have to tap download offline map. Here now we can select the area which will be in our map, and if you are done we just have to tap download over here. So let me zoom it in to let's download, and let me show you that it works. We have to open this profile picture and offline maps. Here we have the map free. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.